Heavy rainfall the night before flooded Vo Nguyen Giap Street along the My Khe Beach in Da Nang and overwhelmed the drainage system. Authorities said 12 meters seashore were eroded and 50 meters of sidewalk destroyed. My Khe is considered the most beautiful beaches in the country. The Forbes magazine voted it as one of the 6 most stunning beaches in the world in 2013. Half the sidewalk on Vo Nguyen Giap Street collapsed in the rain. Residents said the rainwater could not pass through the drainage system quickly enough. So the street was flooded by about 20 centimeters. To Van Hung, director of Da Nang Department of Natural Resources and Environment, said the amount of rainfall was recorded at about 50 millimeters on Monday, between 12:15 a.m. to 2 a.m. He said the Mayan drainage system ran automatically to drain rainwater. There is a trash net at the discharge gate. When it rains, trash from the sewage system clings to the net and obstructs the flow rate. This leads to flooding in some areas and causes landslides at the end of the drain pipe, Hung said. On Monday, the city drainage and sewage company used 2 shovel trucks to fence off the eroded area with sand. The wastewater has drained the sand and exposed the embankment. Authorities are working on leveling a gash caused by erosion to ensure safety for visitors. The video is sponsored by cntronic.com.